Hello po sa inyong lahat mga ka-crypto. Ako po si Pinoy Crypto Trader at sa video na ito ay atin pong pag-uusapan ang tungkol dito kay Shiba Inu kung saan ay ito po yung kanyang Shibarium sapagkat nagkaroon po siya ng napakalaking achievement. Yan, isa pong bagong milestone ito. Kaya yan, bago po tayo magpatuloy ay nais ko lamang po munang bigyang linaw ang aking disclaimer kung saan ang nilalaman po ng video na ito ay hindi po ito isang financial advice. For education and information purposes lamang po ang layunin nito. Maliban po dito ay nais ko na rin pong magbigay babala na wala pong kahit anumang group chat ang Pinoy Crypto Trader. Yan, the Shiba Inu ecosystem has recently achieved a monumental milestone through its Layer 2 scaling solution, Shibarium. Kaya yan na naman po, naka-achieve na naman. Yan, nitong mga ilang linggo lamang yung nakakalipas ay panibagong achievement na naman ang nakamit nitong si Shibarium. Shibarium made headlines a few hours ago after its total transaction count surpassed the 200 million mark, suggesting a widespread adoption of the Layer 2 network. Kaya yan, nahigitan na po or lumampas na po sa 200 million na transaction count ang nagaganap dito kay Shibarium. Nagpapakita lamang po talaga ito na meron na talaga itong matinding adoption. Shiba Inu's marketing lead Lucy also confirmed the development in a tweet. Kaya yan, nagbigay na rin po itong si Madam Lucy ng confirmation yan sa achievement na ito ng Shibarium. Yan, 200 million transactions. Cheer to the continuous success and more milestone ahead. Yan po yung kanyang screenshot dito sa datos ng Shibarium. Yan, 235,203 transactions na po. Yung total wallets ay nasa 1.3 million. Yan, barely a few hours after Shibarium's total transactions hit the 200 million mark. The figure has now skyrocketed to around 206.88 million according to shibariumscan.io. Ayan, galing po dito kay shibariumscan.io ang datos na ito. 206.88 million na po ang total transaction count ng Shibarium. The development comes weeks after Shibarium successfully processed 100 million transactions. At the time, Shiba Inu's lead developer Satoshi Kusama described the achievement as a moonstone and not just a milestone. Ayan, ito po yung na ilang nakalipas lamang na linggo at na-content na rin po natin yan. Yung nakamit niya yung 100 million transaction kung saan ay napareact pa rito ang lead developer ng Shiba Inu na si Ginoong Satoshi Kusama kung saan ay sinabi po niya sa achievement ni Shibarium na ito na isa raw po itong moonstone at hindi lamang ito basta-basta isang uri ng milestone. Ayan, although Kusama has not yet reacted to the latest feat, it is expected that the lead developer could use another catchy phrase to describe the 200 million transaction achievement. The tremendous growth of Shibarium total transaction signifies a widespread adoption of the popular Layer 2 network. Kaya yan, ngayon ay wala pa raw reaction itong si Ginoong Satoshi Kusama dito sa panibagong milestone ng Shibarium na 200 million transaction. Kaya ayan, pero aasahan po natin yan ay siguro ay baka pinag-iisipan niya kung ano yung kanyang ilalabas na catchy phrase or yung kanyang magiging reaction. At ayan, yung nagpapakita po talaga itong 200 million na transaction count ni Shibarium na ito ay isa po itong patunay na talagang nagkakaroon ng matinding paglago or development itong si Shibarium. Yan, nagpapakita lamang na talagang naging matindi po yung kanyang widespread adoption. Shibarium gains momentum. Recall that Shibarium had a slow start, boosting only a few thousands daily transaction in its early phase. As of November 23, Shibarium had processed only 4 million transactions despite launching on August 16. Ayan, totoo po yan. Nung umpisa po ng Shibarium ay medyo mabagal po talaga. Kokonti pa lamang yung kanyang daily transaction counts. Umaabot lamang po sa ilang mga thousands. Yan, thousands lamang kada araw yung kanyang transaction count. Not deterred by Shibarium's slow adoption, the team worked behind the scenes to bolster the network's usage. These efforts ultimately paid off this month as daily transactions on Shibarium hovered between 5 million and 8 million. Ayan. Maski ganyan, napakabagal yung umpisa ng Shibarium at hindi maganda yung kanyang performance, ay hindi po sumuko yung mga team developers ng SHIB. Yan, pinagpatuloy pa rin po nila na i-improve ito at i-develop hanggang sa umabot na po ngayon sa ilang buwan na ang lumipas, ay ngayon ay nasa 5 million to 800 million na yung kanyang daily transactions. Kaya yan, on-chain data shows that Shibarium has recorded an impressive 7.85 million daily transactions, highlighting the network's ability to handle large transaction volumes efficiently. Meanwhile, Shibarium has successfully minted 2.34 million blocks with an average block time of 5.0 seconds. The network's cumulative contracts stands at 14,528, which includes 1,151 verified contracts. Kaya yan po muli ang matinding achievements ng Shibarium na nalampasan na po niya ang 200 million na transaction count. Nagpapakita lamang ito ng isang napaka-successful or matagumpay na widespread adoption. At ayan, hanggang dito na lamang po tayo sa video na ito. Sana po ay inyong nagustuhan ang aking paliwanag dito. Kung inyo po itong nagustuhan ay pakiclick lamang po ang like button nito. Para naman po sa mga bago lamang dito, kayo po ay aking inaanyayahan para mag-subscribe. Pakiclick na rin po ang bell icon nito dahil ito po ang siya magsisilbing notification nito sa mga bago kong videos na akin pong ina-upload sa aking YouTube channel na ito. Marami pong salamat sa panonood. Ingat po tayo lagi at God bless po sa ating lahat.